We put a heat pump in and took out our oil furnace and oil tank. Since then, we've had air conditioning and a whole new heat system. We had anticipated having a cool place in the summer, but we didn't really anticipate the sense of warmth and comfort that the new heating system gave us. Our house is now 60 years old, over 60 years old. Over the years, it's had renovation and additions put onto it, but for almost all of that time, we have had the same oil furnace in the house. These are lino cuts or linoleum reduction prints. It's a fairly old technique and fairly basic, and it's often used in education in schools for children, which I think is great. Since we put the heat pump in, the air environment has been just so much nicer. The air now seems to be much more even. There aren't the highs and lows. It's a more ambient temperature. That's made it very comfortable in here. I haven't had to use any extra heat or fans. In the summer we had air conditioning, and that, believe me, was a complete change to using the house in the summer. The rebates allowed us to half the price of the installation, but also we wanted to get out of buying home heating oil, which had become really expensive. Environmentally, we didn't really want to have to burn oil anymore. The furnace was quite noisy, and our new system just hums along. And we were told initially that a heat pump could be a very noisy addition to our house, and we have found it the exact opposite. There are 3 levels of government and 3 levels of rebate. For the regional rebate, it was very efficient online to submit the documents they required, and the rebate, the refund, if you wish, was almost instantaneous. It was a very happy renovation.